How are you lads? Hope we're all getting on well today. I'm going to be diving into one of the best kept secrets in the hair world. This secret is a certain liquid gold that comes from Morocco and it's called argan oil. It is packed with so many benefits and I promise you by the end of the video you'll be thinking, why have I not heard of this before? And I'm also going to be taking a closer look at why I use it in my own brand, Poseidon Hair, for our shampoo and conditioner. They're completely argan oil based. Let's take full advantage of this incredible ingredient and get started. So I'd say you're asking yourself, Gav, what even is argan oil? Argan oil is actually extracted from the kernels of the argan tree in Morocco. Yeah, I had no idea what that was either. And it contains a load of fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamin E. And these are all very, very beneficial for helping to keep your hair healthy and strong. What are the benefits of using it? Well, first of all, let's have a look at them. If you've got hair that's dry, if you've got hair that's frizzy, if you've got hair that's curly or even straight, argan oil is definitely going to be able to help you. First of all, because it moisturizes your hair a lot. The more moisture your hair has, the better. And it doesn't just hydrate the hair, it hydrates the scalp as well, which we all know is very, very important. What actually locks in the moisture is the fatty acids that I was talking about before. And they make almost like a barrier around the hair to protect it from being unmoisturized. The second benefit of argan oil is that it can actually repair hair damage. So if you've been out there using too much heat, using too much products with bad ingredients, the argan oil can actually help reverse some of that. It's actually the vitamin E that's in the argan oil that's going to be able to combat some of that damage that's already been done. This does it by neutralizing the free radicals that damaging your hair can do, and the vitamin E that's in the argan oil is going to combat this. Another benefit of using argan oil is it can prevent split ends, those things that we all hate. The reason split ends happen is because the outer layer of the hair is broken down and then it's actually exposed to the environment and splits. And argan oil is very, very good at preventing this because the fatty acids are actually going to coat the hair, it's going to smooth it down, and it's going to reduce friction between the hair fibers as well. And obviously that's going to make it way, way harder for the hair to be broken down. Another benefit, if you're looking for it, is going to add a bit of shine to your hair. You can see that I've got a little bit of shine going on here. Make your hair look way better, makes it look healthy and nourished. But at the same time, it doesn't look that greasy. Like, I don't have that greasy, wet look. It just looks a bit shiny. This is thanks to the balance of moisture and nutrients that are in the argan oil. The last benefit I'm going to talk about is hair growth. It can promote hair growth a lot. So if you've got an absolutely cooked trim right now, the part took it way too short on the top, you might want to consider getting some argan oil. Because argan oil attaches to the scalp of your head and that's where the hair grows from, it's going to make that way healthier and then promote more growth. This could also lead to stopping things like dandruff and dryness happening to your scalp. This creates a really, really good environment for the hair to grow and it's going to promote growth. Now, if you want to check out some argan oil for yourself, you totally can. I'm going to link our shampoo and conditioner in the description of this video, which is completely argan oil based and is going to be a deadly addition to your hair routine. I'd recommend shampooing and conditioning your hair once or twice a week. Any more than that is probably going to be overwashing, and if you're on no shampoo, you should be using conditioner anyway. Another great benefit is actually it can protect your hair from heat damage if you use a hairdryer every day or a straightener or something like that. So that's definitely something to consider as well. Anyway, to conclude, if you're looking to up your hair game, I definitely recommend checking out argan oil, especially our argan oil shampoo and conditioner. It's going to take things to the next level for you. Alright, thanks everyone for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more hairstyling content. Try to post a lot more recently, so I hope you guys are enjoying that. But yeah, that's all for today. Lovely to see you lads. Take care. See you next week.